In this example, we are asked to solve for x. So if we look over here at this equation, I see that I have the x here inside the parentheses with a number on the outside, so that's signifying some distribution, as well as this extra term on the outside, so most likely we are going to have some like terms to combine. But we always want to start with the distribution, because distribution is multiplication, which would come before addition in your order of operations. So we're going to take that negative 3 and we're going to distribute it. So the negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and the negative 3 times a negative 4 is a positive 12. I can then bring down the 4x from the beginning, and it equals negative 3. After that, we do want to go through and combine our like terms. So I have here a term with an x and another term with an x. So these two right here can be combined. 4x minus 3x will give me a 1x. And then we can bring down the plus 12 and the equals negative 3. Now that we've got all the simplifying out of the way, the combining like terms and the distribution, we can start to solve. So we want to inverse the constant on the side with the variable. So on the side with the variable, we're going to look at the constant, which is that plus 12. We can inverse that with a minus 12 to both sides. So 1x is going to equal negative 15. Now at this point, some of you may know that 1x is the same as just x. So you could go ahead and give me that answer of x equals negative 15. Or, for those of you who are not quite there yet, we know that this 1 is multiplying on the x, so we are going to divide by 1 on both sides. And of course, negative 15 divided by 1 will give us that x equals negative 15.